My whole family's been through the seas. They all have gotten great experiences out of it, and I've honestly had the same experiences. Like, I love it.
We treat each other like family, and we're always looking out for each other.
Everybody, like in Santa Maria, it's a small group, but we're all close to each other, you know?
We've got a tight-knit group here, like we're all close.
My favorite time is like break time, when everyone like sits around and you eat snacks and you talk to each other. And like I've already been making a lot of friends, which is cool.
And everybody's on their own journey here, but we all come together.
This place teaches you everything. You could go on a chainsaw within your first few weeks here.
And I learned how to take apart the chainsaw and put it back together. I never thought I would learn that, but yeah, I did. And it just takes you places that you wouldn't think you would go.
Getting experience, and you're also like getting paid with it. You're working for yourself, and you're working for like the environment or a community.
I feel like I'm going in the right direction. I'm on the right path.
Didn't know what I was going to do, like was very hesitant about the idea of going to college, and I really like working outdoors.
As I go on meeting sponsors, I'll probably figure out what I really want to do.
And I really wanted to do some sort of like conservation stuff to, you know, feel like I was helping, and I like being outside.
We work with a lot of different projects, and we're not like just stuck doing one thing.
The Oceano Dunes.
So I was working in Big Sur.
We helped fix a trail that was damaged by a fire.
Andrew Malera State Park out there, and we cut down trees.
The 101 project, where we planted trees.
This job is a good way to find the career that you really want and keep.
I love the seas. It's amazing.
You're setting goals and you're accomplishing your goals.
I feel really proud of myself and like just satisfied at everything that I'm doing.
I wouldn't want to be working anywhere else right now.
Santa Maria crew.
I honestly think this is where you'll find the best memories.
Yeah, it's a really good program. I enjoy it.